Hello everybody, welcome to my challenge activity solution video for activity 1.3.1, counting up with 3 bits. So for this solution, for this challenge activity, we are putting in the binary digit for the given decimal number, but except of 4 bits. This time we do in 3 bits. So just like the usual, if there's no number is here, it's simply just 0. Okay, and then since we adding 1, so we just reset and put in 1. It's basically basic adding. And then for 2 we so we add 1, but normally it would go up by 2, but we're talking about bits, so simply the number we just carry on over to the left 1 time. So that would be 0 1 0 0 1 0. There you go. And for the 3 we do the same thing. We reset it, carry on. We reset it. Like for this one, we reset it. We add 1, that's 1. Then we carry on, that's 2, and then we add 1 more, and so that's 3. So easy. And for 4, this one is also simple. We basically just do the same thing. We add 1, and then it will just simply carry on. We add 1, and then this will reset and carry on. I'll carry the 1 to over here, which then reset and carry on to this one over here. So that would be 100 for 4. Sorry. And for 5, we are adding another bit, but since this bit right here is 0, so it will simply just be 1 right here. Yep. And for 6, we do the same thing. We reset, carry on over. So we add 1 here. So 1 plus 1 is equal 10. So we move the remainder over here. Boom. Right there. And for 7 7, you guessed it, it's 1 1 1. Basically that is all for this challenge activity. It's pretty simple. You just add, carry on, and add and carry on. Alright, thank you for coming. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys understand this lesson. Thank you.